Today we'll discuss CMI's 2018 paper, and this paper has some interesting questions. Now the first question, it says, consider an equilateral triangle ABC with altitude 3 centimeters. A circle is inscribed in this triangle, then another circle is drawn such that it is tangent to inscribed circle and the sides AB and AC. Infinitely many such circles are drawn, each tangent to the previous circle and the sides AB and AC. So the figure shows the construction after 2 steps. We need to find area of all such triangles. So the first result that we need in this question is we need to prove that radius of all these circles, they'll be in geometric progression. So what we'll do is we'll enlarge this triangle. Suppose this is your circle 1. Then this is suppose circle 2, and then this is suppose circle 3, and this point is A. It's your altitude, say D, and these points, they are B and C. This is R1, say this is R2, and this is R3, and this angle is 30 degrees. Now in all these 3 right angle triangles, sine 30 will be same. So suppose this distance is x. So for this first triangle we can write sine 30 as, for this first triangle will be R3 upon x. For the second triangle it will be R2 upon, and this length will be x plus R3 plus R2. And for this larger triangle, it will be R1 upon x plus R3 plus 2R2 and then plus R1. Now we know that if A upon B equals C upon D and equal to say E upon F, then A minus C upon B minus D must be equal to C minus E upon D minus F. So we'll use the same property to eliminate this x. So we'll write R2 minus R3, and here it will be R2 plus R3, and here we'll write R1 minus R2, and here it will be R2 plus R1. Now we'll use componendo dividendo. Then we can write 2R2 upon 2R3, and it will be equal to 2R1 upon 2R2. So from here we'll say R2 square equals R1 into R3, that is R1, R2, R3, they are in GP. So radius of all these circles, they'll be in geometric progression. So what we need to do is, in this question, we need to find this R1 and this common ratio, which is say R. So we know that length of this altitude is 3 units. And this point, it is in center, which is same as centroid, which divides it in the ratio 2:1. So that means this length, it is 2 units. So this length, it will be simply 2 units. Now sine 30 is R1 upon 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. So from here we'll say value of R1 is simply 1. Now for this second triangle, we can write sine 30, which is 1 by 2, and it will be equal to R2 upon 2 minus R1 plus R2. So we can write this as 2 minus R1 minus R2 is equal to 2R2. So we can write 3R2, and this is 2 minus R1. R1 is 1. So R2 is 1 by 3. So all these circles, their radius, they'll be in GP, and the GP is 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, and it goes up to infinite. We'll need to find sum of areas of all the circles. So sum of areas of all the circles will be pi r square. So it'll be 1 plus 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 to the power 4 up to infinite. So this sum will be pi a upon 1 minus r. So it'll be 9 pi by 8 centimeter square. So that is the answer to this question.